we needed more space, and so we thought, okay, an additional space, an extension of the space here as a conservatory, that would serve the purpose. So that was the main reason for going for a conservatory. I was doing some search and then came up with conservatory land. So I contacted them on a Sunday morning. Someone picked up the phone. By the end of that day, Sunday evening, I had my finance ready, plan ready, everything ready, because it was such a smooth process for us. The entire process has been very, very smooth. Vendor was very, very good, and the construction was so quick because everything was prefabricated. Placed it within 4 days. The entire process was very smooth, very streamlined and hassle-free. It has offered us a better use of the space as well. When it's nice, warm weather, I just come over and work here as well for doing my work. Yeah, we always recommend Conservatory land. I think our experience has been very good. Team at Conservatory land, they were very good. All the contractors they used, they were very good, excellent. And yeah, we had no problems at all. The finance system was also very good. So yeah, we will recommend it.